Hi, I'm Amrish and today we will do the unboxing and review of another set of silver rounds from Germania Mint. Today we will look at their Fafnir Dragon double silver rounds from their Germania Biz series, which are presented in their unique Infinity double capsules. We had previously reviewed two other silver rounds from Germania Mint. They were 2020 Germania, which is here, and 2019 Allegory series Colombia and Germania, which is here. And we had seen how these coins were, not coins actually, rounds were really impressive. And now today we have got another set of silver rounds from them, which is from the Germania B series, the Fafnir Dragon. And let's just take a look at them and see how they are. These Fafnir series rounds also have symbolic face value of 5 mark like these BU coins. So 5 mark is mentioned here. So they are not backed by any sovereign government, and hence we cannot call them officially as coins. They are silver rounds, but nonetheless they are very beautiful to look at. I will post the link of the review of these two silver rounds in the description box below, and also you will see the link in this top right corner, so you can check the review from there. This is the first video unboxing review of the silver round, that is Fafnir Dragon in double capsules on YouTube from anyone from India. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the package has been delivered by Royal Mail to me. I have purchased this from a coin dealer in UK, and this has been delivered to me in a very nice, safe bubble wrap package. So we will just open the packet and see. Okay, so we get another packet inside this. This is packed very nicely. We have got another small packet inside this. Let's open that. Alright, so after all this packing, we have the COA, that is Certificate of Authenticity, for the Fafnir Dragon coin. Since there are two coins in this particular design, so we have got two COAs. We'll take a look at them, and here it is. Let me remove the plastic wrapping. Wow, the Fafnir Dragon has emerged finally after all this packing, and the first impressions are, well, this is very beautiful coin. Not coin, actually round. Like I said, these are not backed by any sovereign government, so we cannot call them officially coins, so they are silver rounds, but this is very beautiful. And this is actually the front of this double capsule, which has the Fafnir of both side and reverse of Fafnir, which is the continuation of the tail, and it is forming an infinity if you look at like this, and this completes the design of this particular coin. Now let's take a close look at this coin. So you can see there is a Fafnir dragon front on the both side, and the same thing has been continued on the reverse side, which is completes the dragon's tail. On the back again you can see the same thing, since these are presented into this infinity dual capsule, which is very unique and which is very nice for this particular silver round design. Before moving on, let's just talk about Fafnir and what is the story behind this particular dragon. In the Norse mythology, Fafnir was the son of the dwarf king Hrimthur. He killed his father and stole the great treasure of Andvari and transformed into a dragon to protect his treasure. He was later killed by his brothers Regin's foster son Sigurd or Sigfrid using his sword Gram. According to legends, by consuming the blood of Fafnir, Sigfrid developed supernatural powers and intelligence. It is believed Fafnir was the inspiration behind J.R.R. Tolkien's depiction of Smaug the dragon in his book The Hobbit. Now coming back to Fafnir silver rounds by Germania Mint, the Fafnir visualization has been created in such a way where two parts of his body are placed on obverse and reverse of the silver round to create an image of a dragon's body arranged in the infinity sign and shape, as you can see here. So dragon face is here and it is continuing like this, and which is forming the infinity. So since this is in double capsule, you can really appreciate the design in a single go. So to see this effect, it's better to have the silver rounds flipped. So you can flip if you have only single round, you can flip and see the design, or if you have two separate coins or rounds in separate capsules, you can place them side by side on one top of each other, or you can have this infinity capsule which is created by Germania Mint especially for this purpose itself. So this is very clever marketing also from Germania Mint, because this forces people to buy two silver rounds rather than buying only one of them. This particular coin was designed by Natalia Danish, and she has done a very beautiful job in designing this particular coin. Now let's take a close look at the both side of the coin, which has the front half of the dragon. If you can see, the designing details are quite spectacular. The details are on the spot, and if you can see here, it's mentioned Fafnir, and there is information of 1 troy ounce and 999.9 fineness of the silver here. On the reverse side, which is just here, we have the continuation of the tail of Fafnir dragon, which forms a loop, and this encircles Germania Mint's double-headed eagle, which is basically a bicephalous eagle. And in Roman mythology, this two-headed eagle symbol is associated with Janus, the god of origins, guardian of doors, gates, passages and bridges, and the patron of contracts and alliances. The two eagle heads are facing in opposite directions, depicting the past and the future. On the body of Fafnir, one can clearly see Germania 2020 mentioned here, and the symbolic value of 5 marks here. So like I said, these coins are not backed by any sovereign government, so we cannot call them coins. They are basically silver rounds, unlike the Britannia silver coin which I had reviewed earlier, and which has a face value and it's a legal tender of 2 pounds. So if you have not seen that particular review, you can check this out. I will share the links in the description box below and also on the top right corner here. So you will be able to see the links appearing here, and you will be able to check out what all the 4 new security features are there in the new 2021 Britannia silver coin, which makes it the most secure silver bullion coin in the world right now. Now let's take a look at the COA, Certificate of Authenticity, for these particular rounds. And the Germania Mint actually issues COA for each and every silver round of theirs. since there are two silver rounds in this capsule, so we have received two certificate of authenticity from the Germania Mint. And if we look at the front of the COA, it has a depiction of the silver rounds for both sides. Fafnir dragon is there, and on the back side we can see Germania Mint's crest with their website information. If we open the certificate of authenticity, we see Germania Mint has given some information about this particular coin. For example, what is the face value? That is 5 mark. Mark is no longer in use in Germany. It was the previous currency. Now Germany has moved over to euro. So it is just symbolic in nature. The mintage year is 2020. Metal fineness is 999.9. Ag is the symbol for silver. So the silver purity in this particular coin is 99.99%. Diameter is mentioned here. The metal weight is given 1 troy ounce, and the grade is BU, that is brilliant uncirculated. And as you can see, this release is limited to only 25,000 pieces. This is a very low mintage for a bullion coin, and normally if you see bullion coins from either American Mint or even Royal Mint or Perth Mint, they have no limitation as such that how many coins they need to produce. They can produce as much silver coins or gold coins as much there is a demand for them. So this really makes the design very good in this particular silver rounds made by Germania Mint, because their mintage is very low. If you have seen our previous video, even the Allegory series has a limited mintage of 25,000, and so does the Germania 2020. So if you look at all these coins, all these rounds, they have very good design, and the quality is maintained simply because the mintage is very low. Now, Germania Mint produces silver and gold bullion rounds in limited mintage, and hence I believe these silver rounds also will appreciate in value over time, because there is a limited number of rounds available. So if you take example of Fafnir itself, only 25,000 rounds have been produced. So if everyone keeps them in this particular double capsule, we will have only 12,500 pieces. So that is very low for the whole world. And as you can see, the quality and design is very nice. There is hardly anything to say any negative about this, because the capsule, the packaging, the quality, the detail of the design, it's all very nice. The coin has reeded edges like the other Germania coins. So you can see them side by side here. All of them have reeded edges. But we had this Allegory series and Germania 2020 in separate individual capsules, and this one is having that infinity dual capsule. Like these bullion coins, they are also having lens kind of feature on the top, so that the design can be appreciated in a much better way. So this is very unique for Germania Mint, and they have done a very good job in producing these coins, and that's why there is a high demand also for these particular coins. If you have any questions related to this particular round, please post them in the comment section below. I really believe that to appreciate the value of these silver rounds, you need to see them in person rather than seeing them in pictures and videos, because they don't do complete justice to them. The real beauty of these coins can really be appreciated in person. If you want me to review some other bullion coin, please also let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates about new content posted by me. Thank you for watching.